Hello and welcome to this Screencast introducing modeling temperature and population. Two important phenomena in the world around us are explained mathematically by exponential functions: how certain populations grow and how an object warms or cools in response to the temperature of its surroundings. Both phenomena involve moderately complicated functions that each have several parameters. For a warming or cooling object, its temperature is given by a function of the form f of t equals ae raised to the negative kt power plus c for some real numbers a, k, and c, where k is positive. A population that exhibits so-called logistic growth is represented by a function of the form p of t equals a divided by the quantity 1 plus m times e raised to the negative kt power, where a, m, and k are each positive real numbers. For each of these scenarios, to study and understand a particular cooling object or growing population, we need to determine the three unknown parameters' values. To do so requires us to have at least three pieces of information about the overall behavior of the changing quantity, and then do some algebraic work to find the parameter values. Doing so almost always requires the use of logarithms to determine the growth constant, k. For example, if we know that a can of soda in a refrigerator is initially 55 degrees Fahrenheit, the refrigerator's temperature is 41 degrees Fahrenheit, and that after 15 minutes the soda's temperature is 59 degrees Fahrenheit, then we can find a function that will tell us the temperature of the soda at any time t.